Let's begin with HMA Agro Industries Limited. The company has recommended a final dividend of 3 rupees. The record date for this dividend is set as the 15th of September 2023. Moving on to Alcargo Terminals Limited. They have recommended a final dividend payment of 0.50 rupees. The record date for this dividend is the 9th of September 2023. Shifting our focus to Procter & Gamble Hygiene and Healthcare Limited. They have announced a dividend payment of 105 rupees. The book closure for this dividend is scheduled from November 18th to November 24th. Now, regarding Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, the company has set the record date for their final dividend, which will be determined during the annual general meeting, scheduled for the 27th of September. The payment will be made within 30 days from that date. The record date for this dividend is the 20th of September 2023. Prestige Estates Projects Limited has declared a payment of final dividend amounting to 1.50 rupees, with the record date being the 14th of September 2023. Gillette India Limited has recommended a dividend of 50 rupees. The payment for this dividend is scheduled between November 30th and the 26th of December. Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited holds a dividend yield of 4.18%. They have also declared a final dividend of 3.10 rupees, with the record date set as the 8th of September 2023. BLS International Services Limited has announced a dividend payment, the details of which will be determined during their AGM on the 21st of September. The record date is set as the 14th of September 2023. Gokaldus Exports Limited has announced a dividend payment and has also specified a book closure period from the 14th of September to the 20th of September. Heidelberg India Limited has a dividend yield of 3.76% and has set the record date for their dividend payment of 7 rupees. This payment will be made within 30 days. The record date, which is the 20th of September 2023. Sander Manganese and Iron Ores Limited will be paying a dividend of 5 rupees, and this payment will be made within 30 days. 13th of September 2023. Landmark Cars Limited has recommended a final dividend of 2.25 rupees. And the record date is the 11th of September 2023. Apollo Pipes Limited has set the record date for their final dividend of 0.60 rupees as the 23rd of September 2023. Ganesha Ecosphere Limited is in the process of determining the payment of their dividend, which will be decided during the AGM on the 21st of September. The record date for this dividend is the 14th of September 2023. 63 Moons Technologies Limited will be paying a dividend of 2 rupees. The book closure for this dividend is from the 21st of September to the 27th of September. Mangalore Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited has its entitlement of dividend determined during the AGM on the 28th of September. The record date for this entitlement is the 21st of September 2023. Everest Canto Cylinder Limited has recommended a dividend of 0.70 rupees, with the record date being the 15th of September 2023. Moldtech Technologies Limited has set the record date for the payment of the final dividend of 1.40 rupees as the 19th of September 2023. This payment will be made within 30 days. Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital Limited has recommended a final dividend of 3 rupees. The payment for this dividend is expected on or before the 20th of October 2023, with the record date being the 14th of September 2023. Bajaj Steel Industries Limited will be paying a final dividend of 3 rupees on the 8th of September 2023. Sakuma Exports Limited is set to pay a dividend of 0.05 rupees on the 22nd of September 2023. Zuari Industries Limited is in the process of determining the payment of a dividend of 1 rupees, with the record date being the 21st of September 2023. Kilpest India Limited will pay a dividend of 2.50 rupees on or after the 3rd of October 2023, with the record date set as the 15th of September 2023. West Leisure Resorts Limited will pay a dividend of 0.10 rupees on the 28th of September 2023. Zenith Fibers Limited has declared a final dividend of 1.50 rupees. The payment for this dividend will be made within 30 days, and the book closure for this dividend is set from the 22nd of September. MRP Agro Limited has set the record date for issuing bonus shares in the ratio of 2:1. These bonus shares will be credited on or before the 26th of October. The book closure period for this is from the 14th of September to the 20th of September. JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited has set the record date for the split subdivision of 1 equity share of 2 rupees each into 2 equity shares of 1 rupees each. This will take place on the 18th of September 2023. Lastly, Saveshwar Foods Limited has revised the record date for the stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees. This revised record date is the 15th of September 2023. Additionally, a revised record date has been set for issuing bonus shares in the ratio of 2:1. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like. Subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Share and comment your thoughts on the comment section. And stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.